Hello friends, you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, The Way of Education. I am Ritik from The Way of Education. Today we are talking about the 7 interesting facts about the onion. Okay? At first, we will know some introduction or description about onion. So let's read. Introduction. What is the introduction of onion? Almost every other dish is prepared using onions. It is the quantity of onions coupled with other species and ingredients that contributes to the eligible albums of any food. There are several interesting facts related to onions, and in the story we'll read about them. So let's see about the 7 interesting facts about onion. So at first, the first point is used as currency. Onions are used as currency in medieval age for goods and services, as well as for paying rent, okay. Number 2, onion can be effective in fighting disease. Okay, onions are abundant source of quarantine as per a study published by the US government in 2016. Quarantine decreases the growth of lung cancer cells. That's not all. Onions can also treat cataracts. Okay, next, the number 3 we know the no onions for dogs. Dogs parents know that onions is the one thing that they should never give to their pet. It is due to the fact that onions can affect a dog's red blood cells. It can causes anemia in dogs and can even be fatal for them in many cases. Weakness, vomiting, and loss appetite are among the symptoms of anemia in dogs. Number 4, world largest onion. According to Guinness Book of World Records, the biggest onion has been grown by Tony Glover from Harrogate, UK. Glover had grown a giant onion weighing 8.5 kg and set a world record in 2014. Number 5 interesting facts. What is the number 5? Let's see. Onion boosts strength. As per ancient Greeks, onions provide strength, and that is why it was fed of troops before and during wars. Their belief was based on the fact that onions have antioxidants that strengthen our immunity. Number 6. What is the number 6 of interesting facts? Ancient origins. Many archaeologists have traced the origins of onion to 5000 BC. Their remains have been found in settlement from the Bronze Age. And number 7 interesting fact, Egyptian worshipped onion. Onions were worshipped by ancient Egyptians. According to their beliefs, the concentric rings of onions indicated the circle of life. They also believed that onions have magical power useful for pleasing the goods of the afterlife, and that's why real clay or cut onions were placed alongside dead bodies of rulers in their sarcophagus. So if you like this video, please like, comment and share. Now stop. All the friends who have not subscribed to our channel, they must subscribe and click on the bell button for next 2. It is so that the video uploaded to our channel will be with you. Stay tuned, supported us. Thank you.